Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. TikTok rally unwinds a bit but risk on kicks off the week analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID ECE 44915 2029 40:24 am Chinese data puts the bid in stocks. UK data helps pound Nikkei 0.44%, DAX 0.13%, UST 10Y 0.68, oil $37, gold $1,963 ounce, GUSD $0.0651, Asia and the EU CNYIP 5.6% versus 5.1%, GBP UK jobless claims 77k versus 93k, North America open no data. Chinese data provided a boost to equities in late Asia and early European trade, with stock index futures higher by 50 basis points while FX remained steady in a generally quiet session with little additional news flow to move prices. Chinese industrial production and retail sales printed better than expected at 5.6% versus 5.1% and 0.5% versus 0.0% respectively, indicating that the economy was recovering quickly from the COVID-induced slowdown, and that helped put a bit underneath equities into the European morning. The news was a welcome bit of data for bulls betting on the recovery thesis, as it shows that the world's second biggest economy is clearly starting to grow again, and that in turn suggests that China could act as a locomotive to the rest of the world, provided that political conflicts do not escalate. Elsewhere the action was quiet, with currencies essentially flat with the exception of the pound, which moved towards the 1.2900 figure on better jobless claims count, which came in at 73k versus 99k. Cable remains surprisingly robust despite the difficulties of achieving a graceful Brexit deal, but the support may be driven by the hope of last-minute compromise, which is emblematic of nearly all EU negotiations. Still, the market may be much too complacent about the risk of a hard Brexit spin-out, as EU officials do not appear to be conciliatory in the face of UK intransigence. There remains a serious risk of the pair trading towards 1.2500 if negotiations fall through. In North American today the calendar is barren, so equity flows will likely drive trade as traders look for new catalysts. For now, the upward bias remains in place, and longs will no doubt try to push the S&P through 3,400 as the day proceeds. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.